We started in a very small way in 2011. This is a very happy occasion for us, our 15th anniversary, 15 long years of a very rewarding and fulfilling journey completed. So it became a very big challenge for us within 1 year of forming the company as to what to do. And that was the time when we started innovating. We tied up with TSi USA, but we just brought a small piece of technology from them, which now we have grown into a very big company. This is the latest innovation that we have done by expanding and that technology and going up to 750 kilowatt range. It was quite a challenge, but we succeeded finally. We are hoping that this 15th year is going to be a very special occasion for us, and we will continue to grow like this for long.